Hello and welcome back to Not a Proper Classic and problems with the Volvo. Nothing massive. That number plate light has failed, so I want to replace the two. It's a couple of crosshead screw heads, Phillips screws. Yeah, looks like it. So I'll get those fixed and sorted. But also, I have a 3D printed handle. So thanks to PZA Wheels. So Zach at PZA Wheels. Check him out on Instagram. I'll put a link somewhere. He printed these out for me so I can put them on there. So I'll start there first, give the glue a chance to dry. So whack it on, bit of glue, some pegs, and then I can get on and do that. But just to show you exactly what is going on there, cue cutting and one light not working. So there you go. Hopefully you can see that. That one's working, that one's not, so we can get that sorted and done. As I said, first things first, we'll start with this handle. So I've got the two pieces that go either side. So I think it's, how much of that can you really see? So that will go on that bottom side there. And the other one is also lined up properly. Goes there, so that's kind of what it should look like. So you've got a little bit of a handle to pull on, but at the moment don't quite clip in, so I'll just glue those together so it will stick on and help protect this original, seemingly rare, but also slightly annoying. So there you go, that's on, you saw what's happened there. So now, nice, I'll put that one in, see if they match. If they don't, I'll do both because I did get a set of two. Yeah, let's, I guess, time lapse and crack on. So I think that's a bit done, look at it. How good is it up there? That looks fine. It's just that bulb that's gone. That's also a bit crusty, but I'm being lazy now, I'll have to clear it, so I'll just put the new bulb in and let's go. Be interesting to see just how different they are when they're in, but right, let's have a look. What can you see up there if I put you here? Not much. Zoom out, maybe a little bit. Anyway, let's get the light bit facing down. Try and pop you in. Oh, a bit broken. That might be broken. I might need a bit more. And don't think that's ideal somehow. Right. Might need an entire new thing. I'll see if I can put it back in and I'll go from there. I might have to do it off camera so I can actually lie down and see what I'm doing. Well, it's in and it's working, so screw it back in and forget about it, I guess. Forget about it. So there we are. Done. Probably should change that one, but can't bother today. I've got that to wash, so that'll do, and I've got a spare. So there you go. I'll check back in when that's glued and we'll see how that's doing. But yeah, look how crusty that was. Focus, look how crusty. Yeah, you're gonna focus. There you go. Look how rusty that one was. And no wonder that stopped working. Anyway, onwards. So here we are back. I've given little Akai-san a good old clean, ready for BHP, which will probably be before this video comes out. But look at him, looks pretty good. Cleaned, polished, ceramic coated, tire shined, wheel dressed, all the rest of it. So fingers crossed it stays dry and doesn't get dusty in beforehand. So yeah, excuse all the cleaning gear and tools and stuff in here, but let's have a look at how, I'm not sure what that is, strap for something. Anyway, let's all have a look at how well this handle is done. So take the pegs off. So 1 peg, 2 peg, and there you go, handle. But it's a lot better than it was. So cheers, Zach. And again, check out PZ Day Wheels. But there you go, that's that done. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Cheers, guys.